Everybody, falling behind clockwise. Dancing victory dancers, everybody! Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Ozuye. Now at this time, dancers, you may exit the floor. Do not walk in front of our staff or our flags. Walk around the other way. Do not walk in front of our staff or colors. Thank you. And while you're exiting the floor, shake hands with someone. Don't just walk by and be